Famous landmark. There are famous landmarks that attract people from all over the world enjoy their sights. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is located in Agra, India. The Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. The Great Pyramid of Giza. It is located in Cairo, Egypt. It is the oldest of the 7 wonders of the world. It is group of 3 pyramids built by the ruler of ancient Egypt, Pharaoh Khufu. The Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China located in China. It is about 21,196 kilometers long wall, which is the longest structure humans have ever built. The wall protects the north of the Empire of China from enemy attacks. It is built by first Emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang. The Opera House. It is located in Sydney, Australia. An opera house is a theatre building used for performances of opera. It is shaped like the sails of a boat. The Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is located in Paris, France. The tower is 324 meters tall. It is tallest structure in Paris. Statue of Unity. It is located in Gujarat, India. The Statue of Unity is a statue of India's statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The height of the statue is 182 meters and it is the world's tallest statue. Leaning Tower of Pisa. It is located in Pisa. It is known worldwide for an unstable lean foundation. The height of the tower is 55.86 meters from the ground. The tower has 296 or 294 steps. The Colosseum. It is located in Rome, Italy. Colosseum is an amphitheater. Amphitheater means an open-air venue used for entertainment, performances, and sports. Disneyland. Disneyland is a theme park located in California, United States. People come here to enjoy their vacation. Here you can meet your favorite Disney characters and enjoy your rides. Disneyland is considered the happiest place on earth. Machu Picchu. It is located in the northwest of Cusco, Peru on Andes Mountains. Machu Picchu is a 15th century Inca Empire citadel. It is referred to as the lost city of the Incas. Statue of Liberty. It is located on the Liberty Island of New York, USA. The statue is a figure of Roman Liberty goddess. The statue is made up of copper. The statue is a gift from the people of France to the people of the United States. Christ the Redeemer. It is an art statue of Jesus Christ, located in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The height of the statue is 30 meters. The statue is a symbol of Christianity across the world. Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is a group of 3 waterfalls: Canadian Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls, located at the border of United States and Canada. Stonehenge. Stonehenge is a prehistoric monument located in Wiltshire, England. It consists of a ring of standing stones. Stonehenge is regarded as a British cultural icon. Angkor Wat Temple. Angkor Wat Temple is the largest religious monument in the world, located in Cambodia. It was built by the Khmer Empire King Suryavarman to temple appearing on its national flag of Cambodia. Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world located in Dubai. The height of the building is 829.8 meters. Building has total 163 floors. India Gate. All India War Memorial or the India Gate is located in New Delhi, India. It is dedicated to the soldiers of British India who died in wars. Golden Temple. Golden Temple is a Gurdwara located in the city of Amritsar, Punjab, India. It is spiritual site of Sikhism. The Gurdwara is built by the 4th Sikh Guru, Guru Ram Das in 1577. A free Sikh community-run kitchen that serves a simple vegetarian meal to all visitors without discrimination. Red Fort. The Red Fort is a historic fort located in city of Delhi in India. It was main residence of the Mughal emperors. Forbidden City. The Forbidden City is a palace complex located in Beijing, China. It is the Chinese imperial palace of the Ming and Qing dynasties. Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace located in the city of Westminster, London. The palace is residence and administrative headquarters of the monarchy of the United Kingdom. The palace has 775 rooms and the garden is the largest private garden in London. Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge is a combined descule and suspension bridge. The bridge crosses the River Thames. The bridge is iconic symbol of London. Easter Island, located in territory of Chile in the southeastern Pacific Ocean. It is famous for its nearly 1,000 monumental statues. These statues are called moai. Kremlin. Kremlin is a fortified complex located in the center of Moscow, Russia. The complex is the official residence of the Russian president. The Kremlin is enclosing with the walls and is built along the Moskva River. Blue Mosque. Blue Mosque is a historic mosque located in Istanbul, Turkey. Blue Mosque, also known as Sultan Ahmad Mosque. The mosque is known as the Blue Mosque because of blue tiles surrounding the walls of interior design. Mosque was built between 1609 and 1616 years during the rule of Ahmad I.